In this video, we're going to focus on some physics problem that will help us calculate the length of the wire when a force is applied. So let's start with this problem. Solution. So say from the table. On our solution from the table. If F equal to 0, our initial length L0 was 500.0 millimeter. But when F equal to 5, the first length L1 was 500.5 millimeter. Now, let us firstly determine the extension E. So let us firstly determine the extension E according to Hooke law. So E is equal to L1 minus L0. That is E is equal to our L1. What is L1? 500.5, right? Minus L0, which is 500.0. So our E is equal to 0.5 millimeter. Okay? So according to the problem, assuming Hooke law is obeyed. Hooke law is obeyed in the entire problem. So we can say from Hooke law, what happened? F is equal to the constant K times the extension from Hooke law. But if you look at the diagram, when the first length was 500.5 millimeter, what was the force applied? 5. So that means our force is equal to 5, which equal K onto the extension, which is 0.5 millimeter. So to find your K, divide both sides by 0.5, divide both sides by 0.5. So 0.5 and 0.5 cancel, okay? So say therefore, our constant K is equal to 5 divided by 0.5. So that apply our calculator. So we can say in a calculator, say 5 divided by 0.5 give us 10. So that means our constant K is equal to what? 10. Constant K is equal to 10. For the force when it was 30 newton, what happened? What was the extension? The extension will be, or what will be the extension? The force divided by the constant, which will be equal to, what is the force? 30 divided by constant 10, which is equal to 3.0. That's the extension, okay? So this simply means, one more sheet. This simply means to find our length of the wire, our length will be equal to the L0, I mean the initial length, plus the extension. So our length will be equal to 500.0 plus the extension, which is 3.0 millimeter. So that means our length will be equal to, if you apply your calculator, you get 503.0 millimeter. So this is our length. So that means if you look at the entire problem here, this position of the length is equal to 503.0 millimeter.